Oh, never mind.
I guess that should answer the question that nothing's wrong.
Maybe.
Do you think the train's gonna stop at any point? We'll see. For those wondering, there was a bunch of police cars around the area, and the person that was what the police were looking for was walking by the tracks. So she thinks she thinks that it's gonna be on the train or something, and I don't think so at all. The train's gonna keep going like normal.
Maybe she's not there.
She definitely wasn't there.
What if she's like in the other direction?
The other direction?
All over there.
I have no idea. By the way, you're in the, you're in the video.